Is the CoinPop app really a great way to earn easy PayPal cash by playing games, or is it a waste of time? My name is Michael and I have tested hundreds of different ways to make money online, and let me just reveal right away that I have been paid by CoinPop app, so it does pay, but that does not necessarily mean that it will be the right option for you. So I'll go over all that in this CoinPop app review. I will show you the payment proof, tell exactly how long it took me to earn, and then you can decide for yourself if this is the right opportunity for you or not. So before I log in and show you exactly how to earn by using CoinPop, let's go over who can join. And you can join CoinPop app from a lot of different countries, as it usually is with apps from this company, because it is a company that has a lot of other apps where you can earn by playing. Then they do not say exactly which countries it's available in. Usually it is in more or less all countries, but there are also certain countries you cannot join from, just to make that clear. And it is currently only available for Android devices also. So if you're looking for ways to earn on an iOS device, I'll leave a link in the top corner for apps where you can earn by using those devices instead. But let me now then log in, show you how you can earn. I will show you exactly how long it takes and also show you payment proof so you can make a decision based on that. So I am now logged into the CoinPop app and it's fairly easy to get started. You can see there will just be some featured games or apps that you need to download. So if you want to play it, you can see how many coins it would give per minute. This is how many coins it would give at first when you start playing. That's very important to understand. At first you will get paid after 1 minute. Then slowly what you will earn will go down a little bit, and sometimes you then have to play 2, 3, 5, 10 minutes before you will get any coins. So that's why you would need to regularly download some of the new apps to earn the most. But you could just choose any of them. You would click to start playing. When you choose one, it will take you to the Google Play Store. You need to download it there, and then you can start playing, and then you will get a notification every time you've earned coins here inside CoinPop app. But one thing is important to remember is that you need to go here to the menu. I'll show you up there in the corner. If you want to access the games, once they've been downloaded, you shouldn't just open the app. Just to make sure that they can track everything, go to the menu there and then choose this one called My Apps. The featured was the one I was on now. That's the ones that you can download and earn by using. If you go to this My Apps, there where you will see the ones you've already installed. And then I need to click one of these, and that app that I then click will open up, and when I play it, it will be tracked, and then I will get a notification. And you can see here, for example, this one now, I have to play 300 seconds to get 42 coins. So now it's more than 1 minute because I've been playing it for a while. This one, for example, 301 seconds to get 41. So it takes a little bit more patience the more you play, but you can then start using some of the new apps. But that's just something to be aware of. So before going over the payout options and before I show you payment proof, just here now you can see, just take note of this, that I played this app here, you can see for almost 14 minutes, this one for almost 14 minutes there. So like 44, 45 minutes in total I have played. So this is important when we talk about later how much I earned. This is how much I used the app before I got paid the first time, because I have been paid. I will show you proof of that. But just remember that now. Let's say 45 minutes I played. So then we can later talk about whether it's worth the time or not. But let's for a start by going over the payout options and when you can get paid. So in the top corner, you can see there's this little dollar sign. If you click that, you can see the payout options. Just be aware that this will likely vary from country to country. Where I live currently, these are the two options. In other countries, there will likely be some other gift cards you can use. But for example, it also offers PayPal, so it does offer to pay you in cash. And if you click that, you can see how much you need to earn. I would need to earn almost 5,000 points to get paid, and this is the equivalent to around 50 cents. But the exact payout threshold and how much you need to earn and all that, how much the coins are worth, can again vary from country to country. This is how it is where I live, so that's very important to understand. But I like that they do have a low payout threshold. 50 cents is a low payout threshold, definitely, and it offers to pay in cash and some good gift cards in most countries also. But then it all comes down to the value you get for your time. So let me close down the app. I'll show you payment proof so you can see that I have been paid, and then we talk about whether it's actually worth your time or not. So I have now jumped to my inbox, and you can see I have a payout from CoinPop. It's from Just Dice. That is the company behind. I have tested quite a lot of different apps that are developed by this company. They have a lot of them. They are in many ways the same, but they just offer a little bit of a different angle. But I've always been paid by them. How it works is that once you reach payout threshold, you log into your PayPal account inside the app. I kind of don't like you have to do that, but that's a method that they use. And then I got paid less than a day after I requested a payout. So it does pay, as you can see, which is of course great, but there are many apps that pay. So you need to make sure that you also use options that are actually worth your time. So let's look into that. As I showed you, the payout threshold for me was around these 5,000 points, which was equivalent to around 50 cents, just to make it easier to calculate there. So I showed you how long I played. I played around 45 minutes to get these 45 cents or 50 cents approximately there. So not a very great value for time for sure, right? I know a lot of other free ways to earn online where you can get way better value for your time. But when you then add to that I got a joining bonus of almost 4,500 points, because that's what I got when I joined. Some countries the joining bonus might be lower, but that is what I got. So that means that it took me 45 minutes to earn the remaining 500 points I needed to be able to cash out. That is really low value for your time. So that means that if I then have to now earn the full 5,000 points and not just 500, that means that I should probably expect to spend approximately 10 times longer. I spent 45 minutes, so you can figure out that I will have to spend maybe like somewhere between 7 and 10 hours, depending on how many new apps I download, playing games to earn another 50 cents. I don't know about you, but for me, that is a waste of time. I have tested so many ways to make money online, and there are a lot of these playtime apps that pay you per minute, and in general, it will not make you a lot of money. But this here is one of the lowest I have seen. It really gives a low value for your time. So to sum it all up, CoinPop app is legit. It does pay. I've been paid by it myself. It can be fun to use it to earn, but if you're doing it to earn, you will really waste your time, because the rewards you get for your time, it's just ridiculously low in my opinion. There are many other better ways to earn by playing. It will in general not make you huge money by doing that, but at least you get a little bit better value for your time. I have different information on my website and here on my YouTube channel also about better ways to do that. I will leave links below so you can easily find options that in my experience pay better. But no matter what, I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time there's a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.